right trading method, part 35. Right, we're trading the EUR/USD pair at currently 10:27 p.m. We start with $2. We wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to trade. Both indicators are indicated for a down, so we sell. If 2 loses, then we do 4. 4 gives you back $3.48, which would give you back your $2 plus $1.48. So that is good. Right. This video will not be cut to show that trading is a patience thing, and you can just talk and think. So 2-1, we had $1.74 profits a minute, which is good. Wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade. Kinda started enjoying the infinite potential of every human being. The ability for every human being to do as they please in this universe. To educate your mind on whatever topic you want, and then to pursue it relentlessly for, let's say, 1 whole year, and you would get more than what you think you could. So if you think what you would get out of it is maybe $1 million, you will get more than that. So we sell here for 2 because both indicators are under the indicated halfway lines. So they're down, so we sell. If they're up, we buy, right? Simply. And if 2 loses, we do 4, and 4 gives you back $1.48 profit. Your passion. What do you like doing? And if you don't know, then start trying new things. And stop when you find something you really enjoy doing. And then take that thing and practice relentlessly. Learn as much as you can about that thing. Daily, day in, day out, you show up regardless of what you get out. Even if you're failing, even if you're losing, you show up every day and you try. And you continuously try. And you try. And you try, and you try, and you try, and you will get to exactly where you need to be in your life. Okay, this was we buy for 2, it's up. If 2 loses, we do 4, and so on and so forth. If 4 loses, we do 9. If 9 loses, we do 19, 41, 89, 191, 410, 881, 1910, and 3810. This right here is what we're using, not the 87%. We start from 2. Screenshot it, write it down, pause the video, write it down, get the idea. So we started off with 1, 2, 3, 4 wins in a row, which is absolutely beautiful. We buy here for 2 because both indicators are above their respected halfway points. Even though this seems as if it's already rejected from here and it's coming down, we still buy, right? And it's to understand that the universe works in a way that when you start trying, you fail. It's just how it works. It sends the failures to you when you start attempting to do something. It doesn't make you fail when you do nothing, when you could live an absolutely normal life that goes exactly how you want it, but that would be mediocre. That would be mid. just mid, mediocre, mid, absolutely mid. Or, or you can live the life you want to live. Absolutely. So we buy here for 2, we move to 4, and we wait. Zui mama. So sometimes we have this in a row, but we expect losses to bounce back because you see 9 and 1 is 10, 15, $16 and 55 cents, or $1.55 profit. We always end in profit. You're an individual. You're the one who has to do everything yourself. Nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's gonna do it for you. You have to do it yourself. You have to wake up every day and know exactly what you want out of that day and out of your future and out of. You have to look forward, look into your future, and see how far it goes, see how deep it goes. And a trick to going deeper is to educate your mind more. Because the more you know is the more you can think about, and the more you can think about is the more plans you have, and the more plans you have is the more you can do. Success isn't associated with luck, I don't believe. I believe that success is associated with. You have to be deliberate in your success, as in, you have to know what you're doing in order to succeed. Nobody becomes a billionaire on accident. Who I just stumbled upon $1 billion. That's not how it works. You find something and then you work on it every single day until it gets to exactly where you need it to be. And until it gets to exactly where you need it to be, you never stop working on it. That's just how it works. So 87% profits is kind of low, but it's still profits, and it's kind of 10:35 p.m. So so this adds up to 15. So we're in a $15 loss, and this $19 trade gives you back $1.53, which is absolutely beautiful. So here we sell for 19. We move to 41 and we wait. See what chats and support have. Tell them I solve the markets. Let's see how they respond. See, I like sharing. I'm not gonna keep this to myself. And if they patch it, then we buy here for 41 because both indicators are indicated up. 41 loses, then we do 89, and 89 gives you back $77.43, which is 41, and 9 is 50, 60, 75. So you make $2.43 off that trade. 41 loss, which is absolutely fine. We do 89. Here we buy for $89. If 89 loses, we do 191. And 89 and 1 is 90, and 40 is 130, and 10 is 140, 150, 164, $166.17, so $2.17 profits if this one is 191 has to trade. So but you see that we made back everything here of this trade. So this is how the trading method works simply. The greatest trading method on this planet. So how long have we been trading for? 28 to 38. That's 10 minutes actually. So yeah, this is Infinite Trading Method part 35. Like, comment, subscribe. GG.